Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can turn off disappearing messages on Messenger. So this feature, disappearing messages or vanish mode, automatically deleting the messages after a set period of time. So it's like a feature from WhatsApp, and when it is enabled, any messages sent will vanish after a specified time limit. So if you want to turn off this feature, all you need to do is open up your chat and go to a specific account where you want to turn off that feature, and then tap on your profile at the top, scroll down, and find the privacy and support. And from here, you will find the disappearing messages option. So tap on that. And from here, as you can see, the two option, you can turn off or just tap on 24 hours. So messages will disappear after the selected duration. If someone takes a screenshot or screen recording, a notification will appear in the chat. And messages may disappear 24 hours after they're seen for people on certain older versions of Messenger. So in this case, we're going to tap on the off so we can turn off this feature, disappearing messages on your messenger. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.